Alright, this is the Amtrak Floridian approaching. Yesterday, it never got here in the afternoon. Because it hit a dump truck at North Lake Boulevard. I posted on another video the lead engine is still down in the siding about a mile and a half south of here. It's weird. I just saw the ditch lights stop moving back and forth. That's interesting. It looks like it's going a lot slower than it normally does too. So we're gonna see. It's going really slow. Alright, so we're gonna get a slow approach here today. I do not know why it's going so slow. It's not, it is not, okay, it's a CSX freight train, very weird. So I was expecting the Amtrak Floridian, and instead a CSX freight train came along. I guess the Floridian will be along shortly.